Hey, Gleek.io fans! This time, we're going to introduce you to flowchart symbols in Gleek. That includes the process symbol, input and output, decision, flow lines, and terminal symbols. So open up the Gleek app in your browser. Flowcharts use the default shapes, so there's no need to change anything in the dropdown. Let's start with the process symbol. That's just a standard rectangle. Process symbols show a step or task in the project. We create this symbol by typing the name of the process. Just use the word process in this case. Next up, we have the terminal symbol. Terminal symbols show the start and end of the flowchart. Terminal symbols are rounded corner rectangles. Write the word start followed by a colon and the word Q. Decision symbols use a diamond shape to represent a point where the system chooses between two or more options. We can create decision symbols by typing :diamond after the label name. The input and output symbol show points of where we import or export data to or from a resource. Both the input and output symbols are parallelograms. Finally, we get to flow lines. Flow lines are lines with arrows that show the direction of a process. Let's connect start with process. Just type start, 2 hyphens, and a chevron, followed by the word process, and Gleek will create a nice line with an arrow between the two elements. Want to add a label to the line? Just write a word between the hyphens, and Gleek will add a label in a flash. Solid lines represent material flow. To show information flow, you need a dotted line. Simply add a dot in the middle of the hyphens, and the line will change from a solid into a dotted line. All right, you've just learned how to create the most important flowchart symbols. That's powerful stuff. You already have the tools you need at your fingertips, so here's a quick test. Can you connect all the symbols with lines in this flowchart? Let us know how you did in the comments below. Happy diagramming!